Hello everyone, my name is Ike from Bismarck Technologies Limited. In this video, we'll be talking about how you'll be able to create a subdomain in your cPanel. Now, what is cPanel? cPanel is the control panel of your website. It is where you'll be able to do a lot of things. When you register a new website, the hosting company will send you the username and the password to your cPanel alongside the domain you have registered. For example, if we take a look at here, this is bismaro.com.ng. This is a domain that's been registered and hosted. Now, what is subdomain now? Subdomain is when I want to create another website that will still be attached to this main website. For example, if I have bismaro.com.ng and maybe this Bismaro, I want to put this particular domain, I want to put things like ICT and computer training. But over time, and I discovered that, oh, I want to sell bags, and there is no way I can put bag information inside that main website, which is ICT and computer training. I can decide to build a subdomain that is attached to the main domain. In that case, I would build something like bags.bismaro.com.ng. So that is the subdomain. Now, how do we achieve this in the cPanel? When you register a website, like I said, the hosting company will send you the name, the website name you have registered and hosted, and they will also send you the cPanel password and username. How do you access it? All you need to do is type the name of the website they have registered, like we can see here. Then in front of it, you put forward slash then cPanel. When you do this and do enter, it will be able to redirect you to the cPanel of your website. Now, when the cPanel comes up like this, we can now decide to add the password and the username that the hosting company has given to us. If we put it in here, we will be able to log into the cPanel and then create the subdomain. So when I put my username here and put the password here, I click enter, then I'll be able to log in. This is how the cPanel looks like. Today, we'll just be focusing on how to create a subdomain inside the cPanel. All you need to do is log in first, like we have done here, then scroll down to where you have domain section, right? Now under it, you have domains. Click on these domains. When you click, you will see we've created so many subdomains here, but how do you create a new one? Always look up somewhere here, you will be able to see create a new domain. I will click on it. When you click on it now, I want to create a subdomain that is about the new business, that the new bag business I would want to go into, if that's what I want to do. If it's anything you want to just go into it, you want to say gadget, it could be gadget dot the main domain like gadget.bismaro.com.ng. But now I want to use the example of a bag. You can see how the structure mine.example.com. This is how the subdomain should look like. It is this one in front that makes it sub to the main domain. So let's look at that. I will do something like bags dot the main site that I've just signed in dot bismaro.com.ng. Now if I type this is a subdomain that is attached to the main domain bismaro.com.ng. All these things will come up. Just go down and you see just pick this bags.page. This is what we type, so I'm going to pick it. When you pick that, you see that it's now attached to the main roof of your website, right? So all you need to do at this point is click submit. When you click submit, you will see that the subdomain will be created. You've successfully created a subdomain bags.bismaro.com.ng. If you scroll down, you're likely to see that new subdomain you've created inside here. This is where you see it. This is it, bags.bismaro.com.ng. Now, if I visit this website, you'll find that it's empty. You will see something like index of. What does this mean? the root of, that means this site is empty. Now this website that is empty, we will now be going ahead to install WordPress inside it and start using it to build the website where we sell our bags. So from here, to return back to the cPanel, the main front of cPanel, you can see the cPanel here. You click on it and then it takes you back. Now we have created our subdomain. We are now going to install the subdomain, install WordPress inside the subdomain we have created. Immediately we install the WordPress, we will start building the site. How do you do that? Just scroll down to down where you have software. Under softwares, you see Software Carlos Apps Installer. We'll be using this to install WordPress into our domain and start building the site. So guys, I'll see you in the next video.